isa na namang hindi malilimutang experience ang aking nagalaan. Sa pagkakataong ito, hindi ako nag-iisa. Kasama ko ang mga kababayan nating Pilipino nagmula pa sa bayan ng Kupatska dito sa Slovakia. Ang aming gagalaan ay isang mountain peak dito sa Slovakia, ang Mount High Tatras. Isa sa tourist spot ng mga mountaineers hindi lang dito sa Slovakia kung hindi sa buong Europa. Namamangha ka sa ganda ng bundok na nababalot ng yelo. At nakakatuwang tignan ang mga nag-i-ski dito. Ito ang lugar ng High Tatras, Lomnica. Isa lang ito sa mga inaakyat ng mga mountaineers at pinaggaganapan ng mga nag-i-ski. Kung gusto mo nga akyatin ang taas ng Mount Tatras ay pwede kang sumakay ng cable car na unang estasyong mararating ay Escalinate Pleso na may taas above sea level 1,786 metro. Madilim pa nga lang ay nagsimula na kami maglakad simula sa Lomnica train station ng alas 5 ng umaga. Sa ganitong winter season nga pala ay sumisikat ang araw sa ganap ng alas 7 ng umaga at lumulubog naman ito ng alas 4 ng hapon. Bukod nga sa High Tatras ay ginalaan din namin ang Ice Dome na matatagpuan sa Herbinok, Vysoké, Tatra na may layong 20 kilometers mula sa Lomnica, Tatra. Upang makarating nga dito ay sasakay ka ng cable train. Ang iba naman ay nilalakad para sa mahihilig mag-hiking. Ang ticket ay nagkakahalaga ng 16 euro. Kasama na dito ang pagpasok sa cave tent. Ang Tatra Ice Dome ay ika-13 season nito. Sa pagkakataong ito ay nagbigay pugay sa dalawang papa na sina Francis na namatay noong 2025 at Leo 14 na pumalit sa kanya. Ang Herbinok Tatras ang nakakasakop dito na may taas na 1,285 metro above sea level. Makikita nga sa loob ng tent ang Basilica of St. John Lateran. Ito ay inalahat ng simbahan. Ang iskulturang ito ay gawa sa 225 tonelada ng yelo at 1,800 bloke ng yelo. Ay inspirasyon ng Basilica ni St. John Lateran na Roma, ang pangunahing simbahan ng lungsod ng Roma at opisyal na upuan ng Papa bilang obispo ng Roma. Ang St. John Basilica ay ang pinakamataas na ranggo ng simbahang Katoliko. Kadalasang tinutukoy bilang ina at pinuno ng lahat ng simbahan sa lungsod at sa mundo. Kaya halika, samahan nyo kami sa paggala, pagtuklas na napakagandang lugar sa Tatras.
Perfect night tonight. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
Success! Ang hirap akyatin lang Mount Everest. Patulan. Pumunta kami ngayon sa High Tatras, mga kaluko. Sama ko yung mga tropa natin Pinoy, sila Romel. Mamaya update ko kayo. Punta ngayon ako sa train station. Doon kami magkita-kita sa loob ng train. Bigat. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ngayon, alauna na madaling araw dito sa amin. Lamig. Mulan yata ng yelo. Mulan pala ng yelo, mga kaluko. Bantang ng dulas. Kinakabahan ako na excited. Mulan ng yelo. Sakto. Medyo madulas ang daan. Oh. Nakatapat pa lang umulan ng yelo. Nakakaba mga kaloko. Nakakaba na, nakaka-excite. Ba, may maleta pa rito. Tinapon na yung maleta. Ang lamig. Ay, waldo. Lamig. Konting oras na lang. Number 2. Number 2. Truck number 4. Kinakabahan ako mga kaluko, pero masaya. Abangan nyo ang aming journey sa High Tatras. One of the tourist spot here in Slovakia. Not in Slovakia, also in Europe. Ahoy! This one? Hello! Diyaw yan. Yeah. Brano. Hello pare. Good morning. 38. Saan? Dito. Pare, good morning.
Nasaan tayo pag may upo?
Oh, ay sorry. Morning. Mga tropa, kita-kita na kami. Parang pubads ka. Oh. Kinakabahan. Kinakabahan na excited. Sakto pare, umulan ng yelo no?
Kaya nga, hindi ko talaga yun.
Kaya nga lakas mano ko, galing accommodation. Lakas ng parang blizzard eh.
Mamaya na lang pag meron ka na dyan. Lipat na.
Lipat na lang kami.
Kanina, hindi ka rin titingilan eh. May pulis naman.
Sasakay kasi ng pasahero, titingnan nila kung sa page, sasakay pa rin.
Kung sa'yo, hindi ka titingilan, hindi ka mababayad eh.
Palising ka talaga.
Gusto niya papalipatin to nararamdaman ko hindi niya masabi na isa ticket pinagkumpara.
Titingnan nila. Tulad sa mga talaga, pag mga rush hour, ang dami.
Ang dami. Vietnam. Philippine. What? Height atras.
May tropa akong Vietnam dun sa magaling na sila
Ayan, mga yun, magagaling na yan. Fluent. Mas magaling sila mag-Sloba kaysa sa double check. Tara pare. Dakin. Talang ka? Isang estasyon na kami. Dalawa pa. Maghihintay muna kami rito. Mga kulang isang oras. Doon sa Prop at Tatray. Yun tayo dyan. Taas.
Started from the bottom, no silver spoon in my hand. Washing dishes in the dark, dreaming big in the land. Construction site grind, sweat pouring from my brow. Leaving home behind, finding my way somehow. With every hard day, I refuse to let go. Hustling for a better chance, planting seeds to grow. From the streets to the dreams, I'm climbing so high, turning pain into power. Watch me reach for the sky. Never let the hardships define who I am. Writing my own story, I'm more than a man. Met a friend in the struggle, open doors I couldn't see. Tech shop knowledge, and I learned how to be free. Jumped into the hustle, from one job to the next. Fought through the darkness, my future I'll protect. Felt down but got back up, that's how heroes rise. No looking back now, got dreams touching the sky. From the streets to the dreams, I'm so
Saan na kami? Pangalawang train. Let's go! Oh, yun na nga yun. Ha? Oo. Bibigay tuhod ko ah. Bababa uli kami sa Starry. Tapos baba sakay ulit. Isang sali na lang kami. Makakating na kami sa Maroroonan. Parang bulati oh. Doon yan sa taas, sigurado yan. Let's go! Yo! What's up? Ayun, doon tayo inom.
Sarap.
Oo, yung lamni ka. Ito na, ang huling sakay namin. Saan tayo? Diyan ulit tayo. Diyan tayo. Dati.
10:20.
Wala, hindi ko nahubarin tong ano ko.
5 minutes lang to.
Oo.
20 minutes. Lamig nga. Yung hangin tapos lamig pa no. Tapos may isang pang ano no, snowfall.
Snowflakes.
Sana mas lumakas pa. Wala snow sa kanila eh. Bibira.
Bihira na.
Oo, slava. So, malas mo pag nasa company ka tapos muna ng snow. Nasa company ka pa wala na. Pag uwi paglabas mo tunog
Tara na.
Pero nasakto ako yun, papasok ako. Mula ng snow.
Transcribe mo. Tapos action tayo. Hindi tayo ng one day pagpunta sa keyboard.
Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo mag-facing. Kung saan yung list na.
Last station.
Please validate na naman yan. Dito ulit ako.
Простите, стоите, различни цестовни листок. На следващата станица Татарска Ловница.
Please do not forget to validate your ticket in the ticket stamping machine. The next stop is Tatranska Lomnica.
Ito na. Dito na kami. Ito na. The moment of truth. Yan ba?
Wala.
Dito nga. Dito na yung ano, platform.
Okay.
Let's go sa go!
Bagang hangin eh.
Ito na yung huli namin destination. Transka Lomnica.
station mo ano nung station mo paper ka. 10 minutes lakad lang eh.
Ha? Dahil sa North Pole eh. Ito, yan o, cable car. Dito, yan. Ito, di ba dito pre?
Kita ba dyan?
Oo, dyan. Kaliwa.
Kasi nasa ibayagan ko mag
Dito, left. Tama nga doon tayo.
Sky Museum.
Tama ka natin eh.
Long trip.
Ganun pa lang. Laga na.
Okay na. Ha? Kaya muna tayo.
Oh.
Ano yung sinasabitan pre oh?
Ito din, pabalik tayo pre. Pabalik cable. Kami nasa Dota. Hello.
Ano nga to pre oh? May nakaiwan oh?
Maraming yung pre dito. Nag-isip.
Ano? May nakaiwan na oh. Hindi pang stick talaga to.
Hindi natin alam eh. Baka mamaya mag-time tayo. Hindi natin alam. Bawal na. 16 to ano? 16 to... Bawal. Hapon lang to, hapon lang. Tara. Hapon lang bawal. Pre, iwan pre. Hapon lang pre.
Hindi kasi pwede yung ano eh.
Ha? Tubig pala. Tubig. Ano kaya to?
Minipis yan. Lake yan, ano? Wala ko, minipis yan namin.
Lalaki titi mo dyan. Ha? Ano eh.
Kailangan.
Naghahalo yung init.
Kaya na eh.
Parang pinagpapawisan ako eh.
Napawisan natin ako.
Oo.
Itong tamang daan, walang yayin si Google Map.
Oh, ito nga.
Pasok tayo sa ano?
Isking daan.
Sa ubat. Sa ubat, hindi. Ano? Masangkal. Ang skiing yun eh.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya. Pre, pag nakakita tayo ng kusa, katayin natin. Tigil-tigisa tayo ng ano, ng pigi. Ingat ah.
Madulas.
Madulas.
Pre, madulas pre. Muna yung yalo niya eh. Yung mga na ano, natunaw, natuligas.
Yan dyan sa kaliwa. Wala.
Ano?
Oo.
Dito, madulas eh. Dito, oh. Dito niya nga.
Ay, lato kasi yelo eh. Ngayon, yung lalakaran natin.
Ano to eh, mga Everest. Mayroon bumaba dito. Hindi, cable car pa tayo.
Yan kanan.
May dami.
Ingat ka dyan, baka dumiretso ka. Ah, pare. Mabigat pa naman ang bag ko.
Mabit ang bag mo.
Dire-diretso tayo, dire-diretso ako dun sa ano. Dala ko lahat eh.
Nagdaan lang tayo.
Magandaan lang. Pagdating sa tuktok, doon tayo magkape, tinapay.
Wala lang kape.
Ito meron ako. Higup-higup lang, higup-higup.
Wala pa sa ano putik inubos na yung kape. Hindi,
Mistake talaga, Pita. Dapat yung malaki ah.
makulit yan eh. Bakit wala kang stick?
Hindi, okay yan. Kasama natin si Lord. Nagdasal ba kayo bago umalis?
Oo, syempre ah.
Oo.
Nag-ano yung ano ko, warning yung ano ko eh. GoPro eh. Cold.
Yung battery
Cold
mo?
battery.
Oh, yung apak mo. Yan. Yan.
Ito sa yellow.
Yan.
Ito sa yellow.
Buti nga.
Oo.
Hindi ko naiwan.
Pawis to. Kala ko malamig dito. Turtleneck yun. Pawisan tayo. Kumakaskas ang egg ko.
Ayun, Pita, kasi yung lamig na pinapasok natin.
Yung waterproof yung ano, paapak na lang sa tubig. Tindi no?
Google car ka to, bro.
Tama, kambil na.
Hindi yung pala makawit.
Oo. Tapos mula doon, mag-cable car tayo. Sa bagay, tingnan natin. Pag bumaba, sabit ko lang natin yung ano natin, jacket sa cable, sa ano, kable.
Puti!
Hindi, nag-iski. Lord.
All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this is my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on a flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Call myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new, but I got my crew in the back. I feel alright.
Take me to my city. Look like the window is so pretty. No need to be quiet. I'm taking this life, so won't you rock with me? Just step up to the London town. Look at me now, I shut it down. Gonna make this world my own. Won't stop next up. This party don't go. 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
Let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Let's go. Step in the scene. Life is a journey, yeah, this is my dream. Doing it for UK, LA, Miami, straight to the Philip. Every city is an airport. All in the world like the Yardball. That's right, I know that. My hometown, it's all yours.
1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Tonight we'll
Success! Lakad din namin ang Height Tatras, isa sa pinaka tourist spot dito sa Slovakia. Doon kami galing. Ito nga pala yung ginagabi yung mga nag-ski. Doon kami galing. Doon kami. Woohoo!
My passport, that's next spot. International, down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. My dream, half my desire. Let's go.
Kunin ko sana eh. Iya, kunin mo pre. Tanghirap pala magganyan ano. Saan pala kasi yung isno ah. Five, 4, 3. Likod. Pag huminto ka, lalamig eh, no? 5, 2, 3. Hindi pa masyado marunong yan. Oo, wala yan. Akin na yan. Yes sir! Baka doon tayo mapunta. Mataustos ka na lang. Ganito? Woohoo! Ito? Ah, bakit touch light ko to? Hindi, okay na. Hindi na namin inantay yung cable car. Inakyan pa namin, nilakad na namin kasi mamaya pa yun. Time check, 7. Wala po eh. Kita nyo naman. Kahit napakalayo, board naman. lakad.
Muna tayo ng coffee shop. Tapos na. Dito.
Oh, sa taas. Oo. Kanina lang ano to, madaling araw. Kaya ang dami nag-ski, no? Okay.
Bigla pa dito. Cover shop.
Habang walang tao.
Cover shop.
Yun lang saan?
Picture.
Hindi.
Doon tayo sa taas.
Ano ba?
Bigla pa yan.
Nakita na rin namin ang liwanag. Kanina ang dilim eh.
€34 pre. Pwede na.
Balik ka na.
I see you over there staring, looking me up and down. Didn't your mama teach you any manners? Man, that's not how you get a girl's attention. It's definitely not how you get mine. Yeah, so listen up, cowboy, if you want me, this should buy you some time. You pick her up early on a Friday, come up on the porch, shake your daddy's hand and look him in the eyes and open that front door. Yeah, drive the speed limit, don't waste a minute, pour in all the charm and get her home, 'cause that's how it's done. Winning a cowgirl's heart. I'm worth a call the next morning. Yeah, I don't need a text. I wanna hear your voice. Tell me all the things you wanna happen next. Drop the trumpet. Let's watch the sunset and dance beneath the stars. Let's go. Pick me up early on a Friday. Come up on the porch. Pick some wildflowers for my mama and open my front door. Yeah, drop the speed limit, don't waste a minute, pour in all the charm and take me home, 'cause that's how it's done. Winning this cowgirl's winning my one lane dirt road, parked on the way home. How bad do you want this? Check yes or no on the radio, so come on, lean in for that. I'll see you when you pick me up on Friday. I'll meet you on the porch. Mom and
Hello. Snow.
There's a snow there, oh. Only snow.
Frosty the Snowman. Sasakay kami yung club car. Punta mo dun sa tuktok. Sige, tawag ako mamaya pag nandun kami, kapag may signal. Bye bye, love you. Sige, oh. Diyan yun, tumaas yun, tumaas. Diyan sa kaliwa. Oo, dyan.
Yung ba yung tagapatag nila?
Oo, ang lakas eh, no? Pwede kayo dumaan dyan, oh, pwede siguro dyan. Tara.
Kaya ko na napapatag. Kaya ko na dyan.
Kala ko ano, mano-mano lang yung pala. Na yung maliit lang, parang forklift. Sakay kaming club car. Sakay daan.
Hindi mo bilang ticket.
Ito. Sarado pa? Sarado pa raw. Sarado pa ho. Ay. Lamig ho, napakalamig. Oh, tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda dito. Pare, baka madali ka dyan. Baka biglang... Ano, doon tayo magkape?
Wala to eh.
Ha? Hindi, iba to eh. Iba yun.
Yung dito lang sarado bukas eh. Ano ba yung daan niya? Yung kaya entrance nun?
Ah, sige mo lamang. Ay, linggo kasi ngayon eh, no?
Hindi na eh. Linggo eh. Bakit mo maraming tao ngayon sa linggo eh.
Kaya nga. Dami nag-i-ski oh. Autobots transform. Ayun pala yung tagapatag na nag-i-ski.
Ayun o, ayun o.
Si Megatron yung pre. Pare si Megatron.
Oo. Nakakaig niya. Ganda na ng araw.
Ganda ng araw ano?
Ay, naantay natin yung bukas yun o kaya ito.
Ano sabi doon? Balita ka?
Nakakot niyang pre. Tatapag sa out ka dyan. Kaya ko yung nakakapagsa mo na talaga. Tubig mo.
Ganda dito ano?
Sulit, sulit.
Sulit. Sulit ang aming lakbay. Kahit napakaaga namin. Iba talaga pag maaga.
Aga talaga para ano?
Ha?
Ganun ka aga talaga.
Oo. Iba talaga pag maaga. Sulit na sulit.
Ano na abot sa sunset oh. Okay lang walang tulog kaysa walang meeting.
Boss kaya yung ano nun?
Ay bukas kaya yan?
Tignan natin. Ha?
Abandon.
Hindi. Ano yun? May pizzahan din.
Sarado pa. Mamaya
Sarado pa.
Ikaw naman, tumingin din.
Oh, tuturbulence oh. Ikarte. Doon ko may pupunta. Bawal yata rito eh. Hello? Open? What time the club
Close.
close?
Close.
Oh, Sunday close?
Alex, Tatranska Lomnica close. Close a bit.
Whole day close?
Slovenski već. Slovak language. No, close.
Okay, дякую. Дякую. Pare, close pala, hindi magbubukas. Hindi magbubukas. Hindi magbubukas. Sarado. Kinausap ko.
Hindi daw magbubukas.
Hindi magbubukas.
Bakit daw?
Ngayon daw, hindi rin magbubukas.
Ano man date ngayon?
Close daw.
Lahat?
Oo, close daw.
Matagal tayo. Ito bakit sa taas?
Tara, kaya tayo.
Hindi mo ba?
Ha?
Ano mo ba? Ba't may mga bumababa kanina? Pati yan daw, hindi mo daw magbubukas?
Hindi eh.
Hantay pa tayo ng konti para doon sa taas.
Tara.
Titrain ulit natin bababa yun.
Ha?
Titrain ulit natin.
Oo.
Kaya. Kaya mo kasi.
Parang jet ski.
Oo. Hindi kaya ano yan? Hindi na tatayo ng mga ano, yung mga tatayo din yung binawon, hindi ba?
Close daw ngayon.
Close.
Mandun na.
Baka yan lang lang, close. O pati ito.
Sabi niya close eh.
Baka ito lang pre.
Baka yun ang hindi.
Oo, ito yung panakalawit. Ito yung ano, ito yung...
Oo.
Doon nga ata. Open.
Anong oras kaya mag-open yun? Wala kalagay doon.
Kunti pagkata sa mapa.
Tara, doon muna tayo. Ang lamig. Ahoy. Parang umandar na eh. Wala mo po. Kumakat yung ano. Super. Uy yung ano. Nagutom.
Tingnan muna natin. Tingin na natin. Bilis naman tayo pa.
Kaya madali dito. Makikita kasi natin. Pag dito, hindi nakikita.
Picture muna tayo doon, nakalagay yung tripod cam. Doon o. Ganda doon.
Isa pa. Focus naman.
Wala ha.
1, 2. 1, 2. Isa pa. Vamos pa. Ay, putang ina. One, two. Ayos.
Dito, kumapaksak yung ano mo eh.
Kaya nga, dyan muna.
Mahangin na kasi, mahangin.
Buti, power bank yung dumali, no?
Kaya kumakaya kasi.
Ay, sa loob.
Tayo. Tumira dito ka. Wala ako na yun.
Hirap ko pag gumaganyan.
Sabi. Ay, pasok na lang to. 1, 2, 3. Wala talaga oh. Wala talaga.
Hindi na ano yung ano, parang ano yung ano mo, salami. Yung
Alin?
mukha mo.
Na?
Hindi, ano yan? Yung...
Crane?
Hindi. Dito. Tabi. Dito. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Pa. Good naman yung mountain na yun.
Oo.
Alam, may issue dyan eh. Yeah,
Yan, formation.
5, 4, 3, 2. Dito kayo, tayo lang kayo dito sa ano, nasa gitna pag mapalikot ako.
Init. Lamig.
Ano?
Wawi.
Wawi.
Ngayon ma.
Maganda pa naman. Parang may maganda video ah.
Hindi kayo kuha.
Ayan.
Kaya muna natin. Ay sige, itong malapit sang malayo. Tawago ko ha? Diba?
Sino si Ami?
Malapit kayo.
Oh. Ano ng yelo? Bagyo ng yelo dito. Oo, kaya nga. Gusto ko nga rin dun eh.
Kaya eh.
Ay, wala eh.
All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this is my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on the flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt, this world is mine. By myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back, I feel alright.
Taxi, take me to my city. Look at the weather, it's so pretty. No need to be quiet, I'm taking this life, so won't you rock with me? Just step up to the London town.
What?
Look at me now, I shut it down. Gonna make this world my own, won't stop, next stop, this party don't go.
1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
Cause love will lead the way.
Let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Move, step in the scene. Life is a journey, yeah, this is my dream. Doing it for UK, LA, Miami, straight to the Philippines. Every city is a dance floor. Traveling the world like a on tour. That's right, I grew up for B-More. My hometown, it's all yours.
We're 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
Cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight
passport doesn't expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. Living my dreams past my desire. Let's go.
Ski mountaineering and cross-country skiing. Tatranska Lomnica offers a special area with almost 3 kilometers of groomed ski slope, Hulbaka Jamie, for cross-country skiing, which is located northwest of the starting station of the 4-seater gondola lift. Ski mountaineers can look forward to a marked ski mountaineering route running across the entire resort, up to an altitude of 2,190 meters. You will definitely not be bored in the resort. There will be more than 12 kilometers of slopes at your disposal. Lomnica Sedlo is open to tourists in both summer and winter seasons. The hiking route from Skalnati Plaso to Lomnica Sedlo can be completed only with the accompaniment of a mountain guide or by cable car. From Lomnica Sedlo, a pleasant walk along the green-marked hiking trail will take you to the Great Lomnica Tower, 2215 meters, a stunning viewpoint, and the highest peak in the Lomnica Ridge, which is easily accessible for families with children thanks to the cable car. During the walk, you will stop at the place where the mountain hut of the main characters of the cult films Copper Tower and Eagle Feather stood. And if you are lucky, you may catch a glimpse of marmots in the meadows, which are at home in this area.
Kaya!
Oh, dami niyo ako.
Pare, dito ko lang oh. 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 Sarap nga yun. Oh. Woo! Yeah. Success! Ayan! Oh, tang na success! Success!
Hindi lang kaya ako tingnan. Hirap.
Oh, dito tayo galing oh. Hindi na. Ang yung GoPro ko, nagloko pa eh, kakabaksak. Picture.
Baba din.
Sama ng picture.
Thank you, Lord.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Pare, dito tayo. Ito, saan pa tayo? Oo nga, dito tayo dumaan oh. Diyan tayo dumaan kanina. Ano nga pre? Youth. Success!
Ang hirap pagkitin lang Mount Everest.
Oh!
Saan ba yung bakas natin kanina?
Ito pre, natabunan lang ng ano, natabunan lang ng
Kamali tayo ng gamitin mo na yung ano, map mo.
Hindi, alam mo ito eh, natabunan lang tayo ng mga pre, tara. Ito. Ito yung daan. Pre, ito. Ito yung bakas natin, oh.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Just take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind unite. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Light up the sky. Let's light it up. Come on, light it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's light up the sky. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Now we're together. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Let's light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Let's light up the sky.
Lomnica Sedlo, which lies at an altitude of 2,190 meters, is a wonderful viewpoint. Towards the east, a smooth slope stretches, which in winter is the most attractive. Steepest black slope in Slovakia. The Poprad Basin is at your fingertips from here. The view extends to the distant peaks of the Slovak Or Mountains. You will see a completely different picture of the landscape on the opposite side. The western steep and rocky slopes descend into the depths of the Mala Studena Valley, which is bordered on the other side by the jagged Prostredny Ridge. The majestic Slavkovsky Shtit, with the typically round silhouette of the peak, appears in full splendor from Lomnické Sedlo. Come and see the most popular tourist spot, Skalnaté Pleso, at an altitude of 1,751 meters. From the valley station in Tatranska Lomnica, an orange 6-seater chairlift will take you to the intermediate station Start, from where a new modern 15-seater gondola will take you to Skalnaté Pleso. The surroundings of the lake are perfect for walks or hikes. Near Skalnaté Pleso, at an altitude of 1,186 meters, there is an astronomical and meteorological observatory. The observatory was founded in 1943 when its first observations were made. It includes an observatory. You can relax and catch a tan in one of the highest restaurants in the High Tatras, the Skalnaté Pleso restaurant, whose sunny terrace provides beautiful panoramic views of the surrounding rocky peaks, or the steepest ski slope in Slovakia, Lomnické Sedlo. Discover the magic of Tatranska Lomnica, where every moment is full of unforgettable experiences. Embark on an adventure into the heart of the High Tatras, where the majestic Lomnicky Peak offers breathtaking views. The tourist resort, Tatranska Lomnica, is rich in history and traditions, which attracts visitors all year round. First-class service and unforgettable moments await you. Whether you prefer summer hikes, winter skiing, or relaxation in beautiful surroundings. Come and see for yourself that Tatranska Lomnica is a true gem of our mountains.
Started from the bottom, no silver spoon in my hand. Washing dishes in the dark, dreaming big in the land. Construction site grind, sweat pouring from my brow. Leaving home behind, finding my way somehow. With every hard day, I refuse to let go. Hustling for a better chance, planting seeds to grow. From the streets to the dreams, I'm climbing so high. Turning pain into power, watch me reach for the sky. Never let the hardships define who I am. Writing my own story, I'm more than a man. Met a friend in the struggle, opened doors I couldn't see. Tech shop knowledge, and I learned how to be free. Jumped into the hustle, from one job to the next. Fought through the darkness, my future I'll protect. Fell down but got back up, that's how heroes rise. No looking back now, got dreams touching the skies. From the streets to the dreams, I'm climbing so high. Turning pain into power, watch me reach for the sky. Never let the hardships define who I am. Writing my own story, I'm more than a man. So here's to the journey, I'm just getting begun. Through trials and triumphs, I'll shine like the sun.
Take your family on an unforgettable trip to Lomniki Shtit, the second highest peak of the High Tatras. Experience the beautiful views and peace of the Tatra nature. From the valley in Tatranska Lomnica, a 6-seater orange chairlift or a 4-seater gondola will take you to the Start Intermediate Station. From there, a modern 15-seater gondola will comfortably take you to Skalnate Pleso, where the top station and transfer station to Lomniki Shtit are located. Skalnate Pleso, surrounded by majestic peaks, is a great place for a short break and refreshments. From this point, a unique experience awaits you. A ride on a unique 14-seater suspended red cable car, which overcomes the 855-meter elevation gain in 8.5 minutes. The ascent to Lomniki Shtit is an unforgettable experience, where you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire Tatras and the surrounding landscape. Upon reaching the top, relax at the stylish Dedo Cafe, which offers not only excellent coffee, but also an atmosphere that will absorb you. Don't forget to bring your camera with you to capture these unique moments and experiences.
Daming tao. Walang apps na wala siya na.
Ano yan?
Ha?
Andyan.
Pila yata tayo sa ticket eh.
Wala ticket dyan.
Kaya doon ako. May pagat ko kayo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako. Alright, everybody, come sing it with me, y'all. Mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y madala-dalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako.
New to this year's Ice Dome. New this season is a tunnel that leads directly from the entrance to the Tatra ice structure itself. After passing through it, visitors will have a view of the monumental facade of the Basilica of St. John in white Lateran, with statues of the 13 apostles at the top. On the right side is the Holy Gate, a symbol of faith and hope, which is opened in the real basilica only once every 25 years during the Jubilee year. This falls on the year 2025, which gives the theme of the ice dome even stronger meaning. On the left side of the ice temple, visitors will see the papal altar, surrounded by portraits of the last 6 popes: Leo XIV, Francis, Benedict XVI, John Paul II, John Paul the Frozen, and Paul VI, and next to it the papal chair. Together, they create an image of the unity of faith, tradition, and service. Details worth paying attention to. A small challenge is prepared for attentive visitors to find 5 Tatra molds, which the carvers have cleverly hidden in the ice architecture. The dome is 25 meters in diameter and reaches a height of 10.7 meters. The atmosphere is complemented by the artwork of the glassmaker Achilleus Stukos, which, thanks to the play of light, takes the ice architecture to a completely new level. The Tatra Ice Dome is entering its 13th season, and this time pays tribute to 2 popes, Francis Sayers, who died in 2025, and Leo XIV, who replaced him. It symbolically connects the end of one era with the beginning of a new one, and brings a theme that has both a spiritual and artistic dimension. The most popular winter attraction on Hrebenok, 185 meters above sea level, will welcome visitors from November 14th, 2025 to April 19th, 2026. And as always, admission is free. Basilica of St. John Lateran, mother of all churches. The structure, made of 225 tons of ice and 1,800 ice blocks, is inspired by the Basilica of St. John Lateran in Rome, the main church of the city of Rome and the official seat of the Pope as Bishop of Rome. St. John's Basilica is the highest-ranking Catholic church, often referred to as the mother and head of all the churches of the city and the world.
Ano pangalan ng lugar na to?
Orientka.
Orientka. Orientka. Horski. Orientka. Horsienka. Tatra. Sulit pare, salamat sa pag-aya.
Asan si Arce? Wala namin. Ayaw ko po sa'yo. Arce, kayo si Rubel.
O si Arsen magaling.
Oo na, dami na yung conflicts dito.
Hello. Napakaganda dito.
Tumalis ka dyan.
Sa Herbuena.
Tumalis ka dyan.
Start ng Tatra. Ay Tatras. Kita nyo naman, panalong panalo ang lugar dito. Sulit na sulit, kahit napakataas.
Hindi lang, mamaya.
Oh.
Mabot muna tayo.
Sulit, salamat po. Tropa. Thank you. Sabi ko, salamat, sulit. Salamat sa tropa. Salamat to.
Madami pa yan. Madami pa tayong magkailangan.
Yun. Tsaka mahalaga, ligtas kami.
Kailangan ko yun. Kailangan ko kasama yung walang atrik. Laban yung laban.
Yung mga gusto ko eh.
Wala lang eh. Kung talagang may masasakyan kahit
Check nyo yung ano nyo. Yung...
tirahin pa natin yung isa, yung packet eh. Wala eh.
Hindi natin naabutin pare. Susunod na lang. Yung pag nakompleto natin yung doon, cable car. Di tayo
Kaya natin kumpleto yun.
Di tayo kontento din eh. Kaya dito tayo lumipot eh.
Hindi tayo. Hindi na tayo. Sila naman tayo kumambo.
Napakaganda nito.
Maraming araw dito, ikala nila.
Ako gusto ko rito kasi ano nga historical ano ba ancient oo. Slovenia pre, may mga silid doon eh.
Hindi mo nasa malapit-lapit.
Okay, sa Prague yan. Austria.
Din sa anak ang
Ano? Ano lang yung isang Castilla yung Castle tsaka Tulay.
Sabihin ko yung anak ko video.
Hindi pa. Gusto ko na mag-video kaso nga lang kaya hindi ko na anuhan.
Panis mo na sila ano.
Deraona, most Deraona.
Dito lang sila laki mo pwede mo sana.
Papaltakbay. Ganda ng buhay, ng pagkakataon. Sakto.
Pwede ba tayo libot-libot dito eh, oh?
Sa aming paglalakbay. Tapos na kami. Ha? Ano? Hindi, 1 euro yan. 1 euro nga. 1 euro yan. Ganda, no? Ano ka, sir? Sa may
to sit there at the back. Uy! Kapit. Hindi na namin espresso eh, makulit siya eh. Espresso. Loko yun eh. Papang yan, nananapak yan. Still sa bit. Tigyan ba ito? Ayun. Nail ko punch. Yun. Thank you.
Ito galing, pre.
Sakto yan, apat. Hindi, apat yan.
Oo. Hindi. Hindi na ako isa eh.
Sino yan, isa?
Kain tayo. Kain ho.
Gusto.
Hindi, correct siya. Ano naman ito?
Shot.
Adobo, binabod yata sa kalamansi, ano? Lemon? Saan binabod yan? Adobo? Oo. Binabod din, sarap, nanonood yung ano eh, lasa. Lamig!
One shot.
Bukay. Dugo. Kaso hindi matanggal ang lamig.
Lamig ka dito eh. Ang daan yung... Ano yung... Dito ako.
Can we skip to the good part?
Try na kami dati yun, nabukot kami. Wala eh. Hindi pa dito. Kasi nga meron.
Ay, yung taxi na nagbibigay ng calling card. Di,
Станица Жилина.
ano pare? Salamat. Ingat kayo. Maraming salamat sa ano ha. Chat na lang. Oh, thank you. Ingat kayo, ingat. Oh. Ayos, nakauwi na. Nakauwi na ho mga kaluko. Napakaganda hong galang nangyari. Ito ang masasabi kong hindi malilimutang isang gala. Hindi alintana ang pagod dahil napakaganda ng aming pinuntahan. Solid yung mga kasama ko. Kaya sa susunod uliho, abangan nyo uli ang gala namin. Isang solidong gala ulit. Ang takat mo na. Sulit na sulit pa ho sa sulit ang aming hiking ngayon. Yung makikita nyo lang sa mga mata, sulit na ho eh. Yung mga memorya pa kung katulad ng mga picture at saka video. Kaya napakasarap po tumuklas ng mga lugar. Baka pakara sa'yo itong video na to, kabayan. Baka sa susunod na upload ko ng video kasama ka na. Basta't mag-comment ka lang, sumama ka sa aming gala. Lilibutan natin ang magagandang lugar dito sa Slovakia. Hindi lang sa Slovakia, kundi malay mo malibot natin ang buong Europa. Hindi yan imposible dahil Schengen ang visa natin. Maaari tayong gumala sa 27 countries dito sa Europa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-comment ka lang kung gusto sumama. At kung meron kang naisip na pwedeng puntahan, mag-suggest ka. Pag-uusapan ng tropa yan. Tara, halika, sumama ka na sa aming gala. And ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Lights will guide your home and ignite your bone, and I will try to fix you.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need,
when you try your best and you don't succeed, not what you want but not what you need. Step on the world.